Hi children, welcome to English video class. This is Jyoti. We completed already first part in the lesson from the lesson the ashes that made trees bloom. So let us complete the second part in this, children. So in the first part we understood that the good old man got everything good, but the bad old man got everything bad. Okay, he saw dead kitten, he got dead kitten and the worms also. Finally they made that they put that into fire. That means they fired that mill and the sauce, everything, and then they got firewood, that means ashes. Okay, up to here the first part completed. So let us see the second part, children. Okay, in the second part we can see that after a few days the old man had another dream. See, in the first dream the dog spirit told that just cut the pine tree and make it into mortar and mill. This time the dog spirit again said that he had another dream. The spirit of the dog told him about the wicked neighbor and how they had burned the mill. See, actually this man don't know. He didn't know anything because he gave his mill and everything to them. But they don't know what happened. But that spirit of the dog told everything to him, that they had burned the mill. Now the mill was not there, okay, and the mortar was also not there. Totally they were burned. So the dog spirit told the man to take the ashes. You just go and take the ashes of the mill and then sprinkled them on your withered trees. Do you know withered trees mean, children? Withered means bare and dry. Leaves, if leaves were not there, we call it as withered tree. Okay, in some seasons we cannot see leaves for all the trees, so those are called withered trees. So the dog spirit told that you go and collect the ashes from that wicked couple and you just sprinkle that ashes on the withered trees. You sprinkled that ashes on the withered means these are the trees, bare and dry trees. So you just sprinkle that ashes on that. So now you can see it blooms. Okay, the tree will bloom. Bloom means it will get flowers with a nice smell. So you can see flowers on that. So the good old man, he went to the greedy couple. He went to the covetous neighbor, that means greedy couple, and he asked, please could you kindly give me the ashes? I have given you my mortar and mill, but you had burnt them. So please could you kindly give me that ashes? I just want ashes. Then first they turned their nose and finally he begged them, please could you please kindly give me that ashes, please like that. He requested. Then they gave pinch of ashes. So he collected that ashes and he came. And he and his wife, he took his wife to the garden. What happened? Their favorite cherry tree. Do you know, children, this is the cherry tree. Okay, it was their favorite tree. It was bare and dry. Withered means bare and dry. So now it was bare. It was dry tree. So now he sprinkled some ashes on that bare tree. Do you know, children, what happened? Then the tree got full of leaves, flowers. So the good old man sprinkled ashes on it and the tree bloomed. The tree got flowers. So the whole village ran out to see the wonder. Whenever all the villagers heard this, they started running. They ran near the tree and they wondered. They saw the tree and they were shocked. They were surprised because this was a withered tree and a bare tree, dry tree. But now this is full of smell, very nice smell, and also full of flowers. So they were very happy to see that wonder. Again our greedy couple were there now. They also heard this. So the greedy neighbor also heard the story. He gathered, he collected the remaining ashes and he preserved them. He kept them safely to make withered trees blossom. Okay, he thought that, okay, let us keep that in our next bowl. So let us preserve them because we also will make that withered trees blossom. They will blossom, they will get flowers. So let us see that. Okay, in the meanwhile, okay, for after a few days, what happened? His lord daimyo was to pass along the high road. I told you, it was the daimyo's time. So the king and the queen were carried in this palanquin. So they were carried in this train. So what happened? At this time, the Lord Daimyo was to pass along the high road. So now they were going in that way. So, do you know what was the rule? Whenever the king and the queen were carrying in that palanquin, in the train, everyone should be in their houses only. They should not come out. They should close the doors, windows and everything, and they should be at their own house. Okay, and also they should not come out. And it was against the rule. If they come out, it was against the rule. Suppose they were in the road, means they should kneel down. Okay, they should stand on the kneel. They should kneel on the road. They should not stand straightly. They should kneel down. They should bend their heads. That was their rule. So the good old man, our good old man was there, no? He went to see that with basket of ashes. He took some basket full of ashes and then he went there. That good old man went to see that king and queen in the palanquin. So actually he was against the rule, but he was going there because to show how the trees blossom. So what happened, as the palanquin was near, the good old man climbed up into an old withered tree. He climbed up into an old tree, withered tree, bare and dry tree. So what happened? It was against the rule. Actually, that old man was against the rule. So when the daimyo was passing, the rule was everyone should kneel down. I told you already. But as the daimyo's train drew near, the old man sprinkled his ashes on the tree. Do you know what happened, children? Immediately the tree burst into blossom. Immediately that bare tree, that withered tree burst into blossom. Burst into flowers. Okay, the tree got full of flowers and very nice smell. So what happened? You can see in the picture, children, how the withered tree got blossoms, how the tree bloomed. So the daimyo was delighted. The daimyo felt very happy by seeing that. He felt very, very happy. So the king and the queen, they stopped. They stopped. He stopped and called the old man to him. Okay, what happened? They asked. Then they told everything. The old man sprinkled ashes, sir, like that they told. So he called them. So he thanked him and he gave some presents also. Do you know, children, what are the gifts? Silk robes, sponge cake, fans and other rewards. Money also. Okay, what did they give? Silk robe. Silk robe means it's a dress. Okay, and also sponge cake, something to eat, fans and other rewards. He gave some gifts. Okay, he gave many gifts and invited them to his castle. Castle means, fort, his kingdom. So he asked him to come to his king's fort and he invited him and he gave many gifts. Okay, so he was very happy. Okay, now let us see about the greedy neighbor. Again, we have another couple, no, children. We had another couple, no, bad couple. So that greedy neighbor, they also heard this story. So what happened? He did exactly what the good old man had done. So they also did what did this old man do. So they also collected ashes now already. So they also brought full of basket that ashes, and he also climbed the tree and he also started sprinkle some ashes on the tree, withered tree. Then do you know what happened? But this time, for this bad old man, there were no flowers. Okay, flowers were not there, leaves were not there, nice smell was also not there. But what happened, the wind blew. So what happened? The ashes entered the noses and the eyes of the daimyo and his wife. Okay, for the daimyo, for the king and the queen. So whenever the wind blew, that all the ashes were entered into their eyes and the noses, and the noses. So what happened? Daimyo got angry. That king and his wife got angry. So he gave punishment. He was beaten to death. He sentenced him to death. Okay. So the king asked that bad couple to death. So the kind dog helped his owner in this way. So see, children, that kind dog helped this good old man because the trees blossom and the king gave many rewards. But so he was very happy. The kind dog helped his owner in this way. So the good old man and his wife lived in peace and plenty. He lived in peace. He lived with plenty. Plenty means he got so many gifts and rewards also, prizes also, money also. So that's why he was very happy. He and his wife lived to a green old age. Do you know, children, what is a green old age? It's a phrase. happy, healthy, active and prosperous old days. Yes. Okay. See, they lived very happily until their death. So they lived happiest life, healthy life, active life, prosperous old days. Okay. So, but the bad couple were died because the king asked him to sentence him to death. That's why they were died. They sprinkled that ashes, but they got bad smell, and also they entered, that ashes entered into the eyes and the nose of the daimyo. That's why they sentenced it to death. They were died. But this good couple, they were very good now, and that's why now they became very rich because they got gifts of the king. That's why now they became rich. Okay, children. So if you are good, definitely everything will be good. If you are bad, selfish, envious, greedy, everything will be bad. So children, let us see what did you learn from this story. What is the moral from this story? So be good and do good to others. The old couple, good couple were good and they did everything good to others. Okay, always remember poor people. See, whenever they became rich, the good old couple became rich, they remembered the poor people. They gave many gifts to the poor people, and also they arranged nice feast to the poor people, neighbors, and they remembered the poor people. Show kindness to everyone, especially to the dumb ones. Dumb ones means unable to speak, animals. So show kindness to everyone, children. Show kindness. Okay, show your love, concern to everyone, especially to the dumb creatures. Never harm anyone. The bad couple harmed the dog. They killed the dog. But this good couple treated the dog as their own baby. So never harm anyone. Don't be greedy and cruel to anyone. Okay, like bad couple, don't be greedy. Don't be selfish. Don't be cruel to anyone. So if you help others and do good to others, you will be in the good position. No doubt, children, if you help others, if you do good to others, definitely you will be in the good position. No doubt. So this is the moral from this story. We had learned from this story, children. So please go through this story, go through this lesson and learn each and every hard word. Read this lesson. Thank you, children. Bye.